Hello everyone. I want to share with you today this First Alert 2-story escape ladder. Coming from someone who just recently had a house fire, I wouldn't be without one of these. Matter of fact, I recently went out and got one for each one of my second-story bedrooms just to make sure that we would have one of these in every room just in case something like that happened again. So I'm going to share with you some of the features of this First Alert 2-story escape ladder. So this First Alert escape ladder says it comes with a 6-year limited warranty. The second story, which reaches down 14 feet, this one holds up to 375 pounds, no assembly required. Made of strong steel construction, steel rung stabilizers. Says it's easy to store, easy to use, and has nylon strapping for maximum durability. Again, you can see it has these little legs that will go up against the house so that your toes won't be hitting or give you more space, I should say, when your toes are going on the steps coming down. That'd be great. This here has a little Velcro. This is just holding it together. So this way you can pull the whole thing out. Not very heavy. You can see I'm holding it with one hand. And then you can just rip this off and allow it to fall down outside the 2-story window. Okay, so again, this is a 14-foot ladder. Has a brace. Has the hooks here for inside the window. So here you have the First Alert 2-story 14-foot escape ladder. I highly recommend that everybody with a 2-story house should have at least one of these. Personally, I have several, one for each room in my upstairs.